Hello guys, let's eat Western food. It's chicken chop, French fries, with salad. See? How come so big, huh? So yummy. Hello guys, luto ta guys. Saan ko magluto guys? Ito ang palaya. Vegetable, mayroon siyang atsal, onion, garlic. Ayan, gusto ko yung itlog, daming itlog. Magluto. Paborito guys. Favorite na ano, ganito lang ulam palagi. Sapat na yan. Ayan. So parang cook yung palaya guys. Ayaw ko lang overcook yung palaya. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Sarap-sarap yung palaya guys. Lagyan kunti ng asin. At sa atin, asin. Lagyan natin ng asin. Mayroon ng pepper powder. Okay na yan guys. Patayin na natin. Thank you so much for watching and good morning. Ito rin guys, huli na ang ng mga ingredients. Luto na ito guys, ready to serve. Yung baked beans, yung ng mga bata, paborito ng mga bata. Pati yung aking amo, gusto niya itong baked beans. Before ko na ito niluto guys, minamarinate ko muna ng flour at saka salt yung karning baboy. Kasi mas yan, so soft. Pag hindi mo i-marinate ng flour at saka yung kunting salt, kunting flour lang guys, then takpan mo, huwag mo nang ilagay sa ref. Yun pala, malambot pala guys ang niya, yung meat. Then kasi sabi ni matanda, ang kaibigan ko, sabi niya, bakit it's hard, your pork meat. Ha? Hard? So, you must use flour and salt to marinate first. Kunti lang. Sabi niya, ay, malambot na pala guys. Ito palang sekreto nila pag magluto ng pork. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, Becquerels, luto tayo ng spaghetti sauce. Ito is cherry tomato. Ang ginagamit ko guys, 1 pack of cherry tomato. Binisa ko ng white onion, red onion, and garlic. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng chili ketchup. May minced meat na yan guys, ginibisado na minced meat. Ayan, kulang pa yan ng sugar. Lagyan natin ng sugar. Tingnan nyo yung cherry tomato guys. Oh. Ayan, gusto ko yung fresh tomato. Mayroon tayong niluto na pasta noodles. Spaghetti noodles. Ayan. Ito siya luto. Kunti lang kasi lunch lang namin. Mamaya kami kakain sa labas guys. Sa lang ito? 3 bata. Mga bata. Binata at dalaga. Sa 2 binata at dalaga. Sa amin is kanin. Gusto kumain ng spaghetti. Ayan. Very, very tasty na yan guys. Tikman natin. Tikman natin guys. Kulang pa ito ng sugar, diba? Tsaka yung pizza. Sarap. Thank you for watching guys. Yun yung ating spaghetti sauce, my cherry tomato. This is laksa. Oh. Chili. Thanks for watching. Video. Hello guys, I'm eating Thai food. Ano itong klaseng noodles guys. Then they have chili flakes, sugar, you see, vinegar, and fish sauce, and Thai fish sauce. See, pork. It's like kawali, litsong kawali. These noodles, what kind? Sa klase ng noodles ni siya. Sounds. Lala. Spicy, sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy. Thai noodles. Wow, ano to? Itlog. Got 1 egg. $15. 15 ringgit. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, let's eat lunch. Chicken curry with biryani. Daghan na kayo. Wow, na akong vegetable gitagaan ko niya. You have kilawin. It's tomato, carrot. It's a salad guys. If you're eating like this, spicy, must have this sweet and sour salad. Right, busing food, vegetarian. Woo! Chickpea. Right, chickpea. Crispy. Gulay na magparada ko ni sa diabetes, magalo ang sugar. It can help your sugar low. Makalo daw sa sugar guys. Chickpea. So daghan na uy, marag tulog ka ta magtaon sa kanon. Two people can eat with coffee ice. Your coffee there inside. Ling, coffee. It's coffee time. Coffee ice na siya kay init ron. Hey, what's this? Egg. Oh my goodness, have egg. Yung iya. Na egg guys o curry sa food. Lata sila yung kuwan kan. Okay, pilawan. Lata. Curry baboy. Curry chicken. Ang kambing. Like kambing. Thank you for watching. 2 minutes. Okay guys, ng breakfast soup kasi ang lamig. It's cold. Ulan na naman dito.
Coffee, my darling.
Coffee. Egg. Thank you for watching. Oyster. Here guys, we're here in the vegetarian restaurant. Wow, it's fish. Pork. Oh, chipin hang tutsu ah? Ha? Yalah. Tapaw ah. Gusto tapaw. Oh, kan tik video lo. Oh, litsa, you litsa. Ha? Eh? Yalah, you ah. Bitte litsa. Ah. Ha? Order vegetarian siya guys. It's vegetarian. Mami oh. Okay guys, we're eating asam laksa. Come, sila. Half ah. Uy. Ha? 不要啊？好啦。Tik. Ui. Si asam laksa vegetarian guys. Bù yên đúng không? 这个好吃啊？好吃嘛？这个。哦。Kami dari Antio. Si. Bermain lah. No, ni bermain lah. Nanti eat oleh dia. Okay. Sweet deh. Ya mah, take the small plate ah. Take small plate. Ah? Wah. Wow, good.